some slime that only uses 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. I wasn't really sure about the 2 ingredient slime, but it was fun to try, and I love that it only uses 2 ingredients. Have you ever heard of butter slime? I can't wait to try this one. This butter slime was so much fun. As soon as I added that Model Magic, it gave it the neatest texture. You can stretch it so far. I've been really excited to try making fluffy slime. This one is supposed to have a really good consistency and just be extra fun for the kids to play with. This fluffy slime was really fun to make. I was a little nervous at first because it seemed so sticky, but the longer I played with it, the better it got. The next one we're going to try making is glitter slime. I'm really excited about this one. Let's see how it goes. I love the way this one turned out. It was really easy to mix. I didn't have a big mess left over. And you can see that it would be so much fun for the kids to find all of that glitter.